Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss BT here, and today we are going to be doing a complete rehaul and transformation of our back patio. So in this video, we are going to be doing some cleaning. Let's just call it some deep cleaning, and we are going to be doing an unboxing of our new patio furniture. So if you guys are interested in seeing how we are going to be transforming this space, make sure you keep on watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me, and let's get right to it. Alright, so first things first, I just want to give a huge shout out thank you to Yitahome for sending over this amazing 7-piece patio set. So Bear is just pulling it in. It just recently got delivered, and there are 3 large boxes, as you guys can see. And surprisingly, the boxes weren't too heavy, but it is good to have Bear to pull those in. All right, so here is a before of the patio, and as you guys can see, it is an absolute wreck. So we recently got our patio screened in, and literally was the best decision of our home owning career. Like, it has been the best thing that we've done to our home. So shout out to our friends, the Makins, for the suggestion. We do not regret it, and it's worth every single dollar. But as you guys can see, we are going to be doing some deep cleaning back here. Luckily, with having it screened in, it doesn't get too dirty, but we do have a tree in our backyard that kind of is really close to the back patio. So you can see it gets a little dusty back there, and some of the things that do get in through the screen. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to clean up this entire space. We're going to clean up the deck tiles that you guys see here. We're going to clean up all the toys out here, roll up the rug. Y'all, we're just going to get it. So y'all will see. It's about to be a whole task. All right, so now I'm just going to take some black trash bags and put away all of these cushions and pillows because we are going to store the existing patio furniture in the garage for now. We haven't decided if we're going to sell it or if we're going to keep it because it's still in great shape, and we do have some near future plans to extend out our back patio and do a deck out there. So we might keep it, but we shall see. Either way, I wanted to make sure that it's still in good shape and the pillows don't get all crusty when they go into the garage. All right, and so now I'm just using this Dr. Bonner's Sol Suds, and it's a biodegradable cleaner, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit all over the deck tiles. And so we actually got these deck tiles from IKEA, and we've had them since we got the patio screened in, and we love them. They clean so easily, and they're so sturdy. So every now and then we do like to come out here with the power washer and just spray everything down, and so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just getting in all the cracks and the nooks and crannies and all of the things, and I'm also going to spray down the screen just to get all of that nice and cleaned up. And y'all, there was some real dirt. There was like some real dirt coming off of there. So I'm really glad that we took the time to actually power wash everything down. All right, so here are the deck towels all sprayed down, and they are looking pretty good. So while those dry, Bear is out in the backyard, and it's his turn now. He has the hardest job because, y'all, it's hot. It is hot AF out there. But he is just spraying down all of the existing patio furniture and Little Bear's outdoor toys so that we can make sure that they are all nice and clean before they go into the garage. All right, y'all. So now it is time to unbox this patio furniture. So as you guys can see, there are 3 large boxes. And what I'm doing now is I'm just going to go ahead and open all 3 boxes so that we can get into the contents of them. So Yitahome does have an online website as well as an Amazon shop. So I'll have all of the details linked in the description box below if you guys are interested in anything. But it's you have to put it together. So make sure that you have your little coffee, your patience, your wine, your cocktail, whatever it is, because you will be putting these things together. All right, so here is the box, and those right there are just the little clips that you can put at the bottom of all of the chairs to keep them connected together. And then each individual box does come with its own contents. So they each have this little envelope that is full of the washers, screws, Allen wrench, the nuts and bolts, basically all of the screws and things that you need to put everything together, as well as the brochure and the instructions. So I'll give you guys a closer look. So these are just the necessary tools that you need to put all of the pieces together that are in the box. And so you can see that everything is individually packaged and labeled. So here is the one for the armless sofa, as well as the other armless sofa. And then you'll see here in just a second, the one for the coffee table. And so those are the 3 pieces that came inside of this box in particular. And then each box also has the instructions for those respective pieces, and it also shows you how you can put your set together. All right, so I'm just going to move those pieces out of the way, and we're going to get everything pulled out of the box. The little bags there that fell out are the legs that go on the bottom of each chair and at the bottom of the coffee table. And so what I'm going to do is I am just going to take this time to unbox everything and then put all of the pieces in their respective quadrants so that we can get these big boxes out of the way and only have out what we need. All right, so now it's time to put everything together, and oddly enough, Bear and I really enjoy putting furniture together. Like, I don't know what it is, but we really enjoy putting furniture together and seeing our finished product, and just knowing that we literally shed sweat and in some cases tears over getting something done. So I turn into a bit of a project manager when it comes to furniture and us putting things together and kind of just having everything outlined. So definitely do what's best for you. But with this set, it was generally easy to put together. It does come with everything that you need, like the materials that you need to put it all together. Only challenges that we ran into during the furniture building process was there were a couple of holes that were placed in odd places. So it was a little bit more challenging for us to reach, and Bear has really large hands. So we would have to kind of finagle our way into whatever kind of crease, but those were probably like less than 5 holes that we ran into that issue with. But I do just want to like make sure y'all are aware, because when you're putting something together, you definitely need to set aside some time. I think it took us about 4 hours total to put this set together, and of course the first one took the longest, and then after that it was easy breezy from there. All right, and even though I had a head start on my chair, it was still a race for me, and I finished first, so. So now I'm just putting the cushions on the finished armless chairs, and y'all, I love them so much. This was the part that was like, oh my gosh, these are gonna be so nice. So we went ahead and just tested them out really quick, took a quick little breather, just kind of like foreshadowed what our patio was gonna look like. I got excited, and I was like, all right, time to get back to work. So here's the last piece out of box number 1. It is the coffee table, and the coffee table was pretty much the easiest one to put together, and it only took us about 15 minutes to put it all together and get the glass on top. So that was fairly easy, and the instructions that do come with each box are very detailed with great pictures. And again, it does come with all the necessary tools for you to put everything together, but it does come with the exact amount. So you want to make sure that you have your area nice and tidy when you are putting it all together, because you don't want to start missing any screws or washers. Here it is all put together, and oh, it is so beautiful. We absolutely love this set so much. So we did get the gray gradient package, and so it is kind of a gray effect with the gray cushions, and it is a 7-piece set. So the package does include 2 corner chairs, 4 armless chairs, a coffee table with the tempered glass, as well as 12 cushions and 2 decorative pillows. And then of course all of the materials that you need to actually put the set together. And we absolutely love it, y'all. It's a whole vibe. Like, y'all already know it's a vibe is like what I'm saying for the rest of 2020. So I absolutely love it. It's totally giving me like club section vibes, you know, you have your little bottles out there. So yeah, so we are absolutely loving it. Make sure you are subscribed and those notification bells are on, because we have more coming to add onto this video, along with some decorating, so you guys can see the full transformation of our back patio. But thank you again, Yitahome, for sending over this beautiful set. I will have more to share in the next video. And I hope y'all have a great rest of your night, day, weekend, whatever it is. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.